Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on or off your email notifications which you get from GoCardless. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to GoCardless.com. If you can't find GoCardless, you can go to Google search bar and search for GoCardless and find it. Then what you need to do is log into your account and you will see this type of interface. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for GoCardless quite easily. So after you log into your account, you can see the settings option over here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see user settings. Go ahead and tap on user settings, scroll a bit down, and if you go all the way down, you can see email notifications. We send you certain emails to notify you of activity in your GoCardless account. Please feel free to fine tune what you want to see from us. So you can see there are two options, new customers and alerts. If you don't want any of these email notifications, you can just deselect it and click Save Changes. As soon as you click Save Changes, you will now no longer receive email notifications from GoCardless. Now you have turned it off. So I'm going to teach you how you can turn on your email notifications. Once again, go to GoCardless, log into your account, and you can find settings over here on the top right hand side. Click on it and go to user settings. As soon as you click on user settings, scroll all the way down and find email notifications. Right now it is currently turned off. Now to turn it on, just click on this boxes over here. There are two options, new customers and alerts. So you will get two types of notifications on your email which you entered on GoCardless. So go ahead and click on Save Changes and there you go. You have just turned on the email notifications of your GoCardless account. So guys, this is how you turn off or on your email notifications on GoCardless. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.